Hey, what's up guys? Today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. So I was shopping for some party lights and I was looking on YouTube and seeing videos on lights, and they're not showing exactly how it works. If you see, after you see this video, check out the other videos and you see the difference. I'm going to show you how it looks in my living room, the whole entire living room, not just the wall. So we're going to unbox it. This is it right here, LED party light. I'm going to unbox it, show you what it comes with, and then I'm going to show you a preview of my living room with the lights on, and let's see how it works. Okay, so basically, as you can see, has the remote control, audio, sound. So basically you can put your music towards it and the lights will go with the sound of the music. Okay, get it open. So you have the remote. Pretty cool remote. Has a little tab in the bottom so it won't kill the battery. As you can see, power, flashing, different kind of lights, sound, no sound. It's pretty cool. Okay, you have your bracket. Comes with 2 screws. The manual about everything about the remote. And this is it right here. It's very small, as you can see. Gotta connect to the outlet. Very small, very nice. This get connected over here. Put it together, and then we'll test it. And I'll show you a full demonstration of how the light looks in a full-size living room. So put one screw on one side, put the other screw on the other side. Okay. Tighten down. Well, obvious, you can put it any way. You can hang, because I have a hole in the back. You can hang it. It's up to you how you want to put it. But I'm just going to put it on the floor like a little tilt. Okay, as you can see, that's how it looks. Pretty cool. So now I'm going to show you my living room with the lights on. I'm going to show you how big it is. And then from there, we'll plug this on and we'll check it out. So as you can see, my living room is pretty big. This is, if I'm not mistaken, a 15 by 14 or something like that. It's pretty big. And I will put the light in this little corner. You see, that's my living room. Okay. Okay, so I'll put it here. Put it straight down, as you can see. All right. So now, as you can see, the living room looks pretty cool with the light on. Okay. Turn off the light, and this is what it looks like. You know, it's pretty nice. And the more you put it towards the middle, give it more light. Pretty cool. And I couldn't find, for some reason, I couldn't find a video that shows me this. That if you look at it, it looks amazing. You know, I couldn't find one. But as you can see, it does work. It does look good. So something quick, as you can see, the remote If you want just green, you press green, and as you can see, it turns green. If you want red, you click red. As you can see, it turns red. Blue, click blue. As you can see, it is blue. And you know, you put your sound, the music one, and once you put the music next to it, it'll start going with the music. You could put flashing. As you can see, it's flashing. Red, green, blue. As you can see, blue, red, green, red, blue. As you can see, it works amazing. I just want to do a real good review on it. And, you know, as you can see, look at that. That's flashing. Look at that. Okay, that's my review for this. Please, if you have any questions, any concerns, below in the comments, let me know. Anyways, like and subscribe. And in my description, there will be a link and where to buy these beautiful lights. Thank you for watching.